Mold, leaky pipes, or broken AC, you have reached out to WBRC Fox 6 News asking for help.
We've seen a lot of those emails, and if you have an issue with an apartment complex or an unresponsive landlord, you may not realize the rights you actually have as a tenant. Taylor Pollock on your side tonight, talking with an attorney to find out what you need to do and what options you actually have. Taylor?
Yeah, that's right. Here in my hand, I've got just a couple of those emails you just mentioned that we've received from viewers. They were all complaining of those unresponsive landlords. Now, if you at home are in a similar situation, I spoke with an attorney who says you do have options. While landlords seemingly have the upper hand when it comes to rental properties, attorneys want tenants to know they have rights.
The first thing you have to do is send a demand. You have to send a letter. You have to have it in writing saying, hey, I need this fixed. These are the reasons I need it fixed. It's been broken for this amount of time, and you have this amount of time to fix it.
From there, Creighton says you have two options.
If you have, in fact, sent a request to the landlord and they do not meet that request, then you can file a claim against them in the court, basically telling the court that that the landlord is in breach of contract.
After you filed a claim, a judge will decide how to deal with the landlord.
Now, the judge at that point can direct the landlord to go ahead and fix the issue, especially if it's something that's causing the tenant harm, such as a broken air conditioner in 90-degree heat, such as black mold that long term can cause some serious issues.
If you don't want to deal with court proceedings, there's always option number two.
If the landlord fails to meet your demand and fix it within that time frame, you can move out and you wouldn't be responsible for any future rent.
One thing Creighton strongly advises against, no matter what, do not withhold rent from your landlord.
If you do that, then the landlord then has the right to file an eviction against you. And generally, the law is in the landlord's favor when it comes to that sort of thing.
Creighton says documentation is key. Pictures, witnesses, and copies of everything exchanged between you and your landlord. And if you ever feel lost, you have lots of options when it comes to resources.
Just reach out. A lot of, especially personal injury attorneys, a lot of us will not charge you a consultation fee to just reach out.
Now, Legal Services Alabama is another resource Creighton recommends. They can connect you to any legal services across the state. We've got their contact information over on our website. I'm in Birmingham. Taylor Pollock for Fox 6 News on your side.